Sai Vidya Institute of Technology. Have you heard of it yet? I am about to graduate from here, so let me paint you a picture about my college. Started in 2008, a group of Bengaluru's top professors with the intention of providing education of the highest quality set out to start a college that had Vidya engraved in its grassroots, and they founded SVIT in Rajan Kunte, Bengaluru.
One of the best things about SVIT is its faculty. Faculty are most supportive and encouraging, always ready to listen to us and help our students in any way possible. We also have a counselor who is available to help students whenever necessary. Faculty here help in overall development by helping us grow morally and socially. We also have a proctor system where each teacher is assigned to look after 15 to 20 students and monitor the academic progress and also help us move forward in the right direction.
SVIT is filled with amenities with projector-equipped classrooms, featureful labs, sports club, music club, photography club, multiple seminar halls, fresh drinking water, clean toilets, and ample parking space for your vehicle. And if you don't have your own vehicle, do not worry. BMTC and KSRTC have buses that can bring you to my college. SVIT also provides bus service that spans all across Bengaluru to make sure you get from your home to college swiftly and with convenience.
Library here is an integrated multi-user library management system where books are updated on a daily basis. We have digital as well as hard copies for technical and various general topics. There is a 24-hour Wi-Fi provided for student use throughout the campus.
We also have regular seminars done by the student, quizzes, presentations, etc., which gives a way for us to develop multiple skills like communication and teamwork. It also acts as an alternate way when compared to traditional classroom learning. We have dedicated sports department which provides activities to stimulate growth and development of students in many aspects. We also have an NSS unit which is approved by BTU consisting of over 500 students where social activities aim to provide service to society are conducted.
Providing 6 engineering disciplines to choose from, I can tell you about all 6 of them and it's all positive. But I can talk to you about my discipline, computer science and engineering. With the most dedicated professors of any department in the college, CSE offers you with the finest and most thorough experience with best-in-class facilities. My favorite experience in my department is attending or organizing the department forum activities for 1 or 2 hours every week where we learn or teach something new in the technical domain. The amount of support given by the faculty of CSE department is unparalleled. They can shape your idea into reality with the proper guidance and assistance. My department is also largely involved with our college technical fest and cultural fest, with most students from any branch involved in the core committee and the design team. Placements are one of the crucial things that anyone might look at when choosing their college. And I'd like to mention that the placement department in SVIT is very active and is proactively bringing in companies even during the COVID pandemic to employ students right out of college. My college is pushing club activities to help you take your hobby to the next level. With clubs involved in photography, music, drama, dance, the number of clubs will only grow so that each student with a passion can be deeply involved in the extracurricular activity of their choice. Approaching any department faculty, HOD or a management member is as easy as stopping by their office and approaching them directly within the college premises. I tell you from my 4 years of experience in SVIT that by choosing my college, you'll be making the right decision that you'll reflect upon during your final semester right when you're about to graduate.
Lastly, SVIT has been ranked 7th in private and 9th in overall in Karnataka as per All India T-School Survey in 2019, which just adds a feather to its cap. SVIT has truly given us all that a student requires to succeed. Thank you.